Hello friends of How to Grow. Today I'm gonna show you something that will make your room or your garden smell amazingly. How you can grow lavender from seeds. Today we are gonna talk about a type of lavender which is called Lavandula angustifolia, commonly known as English lavender, even if in reality is originally from Mediterranean country, but that's the way they call it. Okay, let's start from searching for seeds. When you know where to get some lavender seeds, you will find out that the flowers that are in this phase, so they basically just sprout, don't have seeds. They are still in the flower phase, so they're not pollinated. So you will need to look for the ones that already had an amazing life, and they look something like this. So they are grayish, and inside the flower you can find some brownish dark seeds. This is the way a lavender seed look like. I will actually show it digging out the seeds from this one in a moment. Let's start by crumble these gray flowers. Now it is the moment to be very careful. You need to spot these black points and collect them in the same location on the paper. Take a pot of your choice. I'm using compostable pots. I will put in the description a link where you can buy these pots as well. You can use some compost, like normal compost. The important is that it's a compost that is able to drain well the water that you will put in, because lavender seeds don't like wet feet. Take the seeds and put them at half an inch, 5 millimeter from the top of the surface, because the lavender seed needs some sunlight to actually grow. Spray some water, not too much, just enough to keep the area humid, and wait until you get the first sprout, which will take around 14 days. I truly hope that this video will help you to grow some fragrant lavender, and it will look something like this within a month time since the seeds sprout. If you want to know in how much time you will actually get the flowers, this will take in spring something like 90 days since the seeds sprout, while in winter it can take much more. Is around 200 days. And of course, I'm talking about growing lavender indoor. Outdoor, of course, you can also grow lavender, but in winter, of course, is not the most appropriate moment of the year for the lavender. That's everything for me. If you want to ask more questions, if you have more queries, just pop a comment down below or text us on Instagram. And of course, if you don't want to lose all the videos of how to grow, just click on the orange here in the corner and see you soon. Ciao!